How to download videos on Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app is open, use the search bar or browse the home page to find the video you want to download. When you have selected the video, tap on it to open the video playback page. Next, look for the download icon, usually located below the video player or near the options menu. Tap on the download button. You may be asked to choose the video quality or format. Select the preferred resolution, keeping in mind that higher quality takes more storage space. After selecting, tap on download to start saving the video to your device. You can check the progress in the download section of the app. Once the download is complete, you can watch the video offline anytime without an internet connection. Now you know how to download videos on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.